Okay, so this is a repair on my 2004, I think. I'd have to look at the paper. I think it's 2004. 2005. Nowhere I thought. 2005 Coachmen Spirit of America, 24 foot. The converter quit working in it. Ordered one off Amazon. You'll see the whole install there. It's long. Not really long, but it's aggravating. Everything went together like it was supposed to, except for the bracket. This is the original bracket here that the converter sits on. It comes with its own bracket, and it even has its own mounting holes. However, they didn't give me a long enough power, the power cord that comes off of it. The black cord wasn't quite long enough, so I snipped those off, and it's just kind of in there. It's pretty tight, so I think it'll be fine. Not too worried about it. Yeah, that's about it for this. You'll see the video of me struggling real bad, but it's fine. So, okay, we got the converter here. Some leader heads. That's for something else. I'll open this up and go see what it is. This is the one I ordered. If you want to screenshot that. Comes packaged pretty good. I had foam on it anyway. Close enough for me. Out here. Came with instructions. Oh God. Don't know what you really need them for. They're pretty simple. You just put the same color wire with the same color wire and put it back together. We don't need constructions around here. We just guess. This is... Oh wait, it comes on its own little tray. How about that? Tray seems backwards. You know, kind of. Sure, it's fine. It's got a zip tie, so we gotta look forever to find something to cut that with. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Found them. Okay. I don't know what that wire's for. There's some that power line came with these. Guess that's neutral. Probably cut that off. Right? And that has to be neutral, so probably have to cut that off to put it in the thing down there. Alright, let's finish taking this out. Okay. Almost forgot to unplug the batteries, but that's fine. We don't need to worry about that. Gonna pretend like we did. Okay, apparently all these are flathead. Green one went up top on this bus bar that I didn't unscrew far enough. There we go. Pull that through. This white one is on the second one. Well, golly. What in the world? Okay, I gotta go find a square bit. I'll be back. Okay, you found one. Hopefully it fits. Because trying to find stuff here is not easy. Okay, that's it. Out of there now. This is plugged into. What is this plugged into? fit in there. Why not? Okay, I guess we'll go chopping. Good choice. Not real sure why that's like that, but we'll chop it here. So that goes with the black one. Okay, out with the old and with the new-ish kind of. Amazon. Yeah, we'll pull those off, we'll do those. Push these up. Why don't you come out more? She's not wanting to be social today. Come on. Come on. Thank you. I'll pull these out where I can get to them. Let's go to negative. Twist that. Put that in like that right there. And just kind of tighten them up a little bit more here in a second. Wow. Come on. Sure is hot. Be cool if I turn the air conditioner on, but probably get shocked. So it's a hot, muggy day here in Missouri. It's been raining all morning. Probably like 80, but just muggy. Okay, that's in. So we just kind of somehow shove that back in there like that. Why? Why won't you go now? Do I have to push that down again? Like that? Really don't want to break that motherboard. Oh, there we go. Alright, now, this part. I don't really know what to do about this. I guess we just tie them together. I have wire strippers sitting about 6 foot from me, but you know, what can you do? I don't have whatever them things are, so we're just gonna fucking wing it. Just gonna wing it. Hope that that's deep enough. Probably not. Can I take the breaker out? Well, you are my flashlight, so. Oh, okay, I see. Come here. Use a little bit longer. Quit walking. Safety first, no one gets hurt. Kind of Yeah. Well, they didn't lock together, did they? I don't have whatever that is. One of those little connectors. So they're going in there bare wired. Just like the good Lord intended. Fit in there. It'd be so much easier if that would fit in there. Barely in the way. That's tight, so should be okay there. Right now, white wire uphill, uphill, uphill. That's tight. Oh, it's raining hard now. This goes here, but they put this on here for some reason. Don't need that. Right here. Right here. Come on. Like so. Okay. I'm gonna go plug in the shore power. Tell me if it starts a fire. Or I guess I'll wait to turn the breaker on. Well, we got lights. I did something right. Fan came on. It came on. The other one didn't. So I guess that means it's good. Okay, cool. Oh, let me go and plug this in. Absolutely. Okay, now there's somehow set this there. Where don't we get line? Let me give me fits. The fan is in the way. Alright. Slow down, figure out what's going on. For whatever reason, maybe we can. And that's aggravating. I can't go up there anymore. I'm gonna have to kind of. Come on. Come on. There we go. Kind of. Are you telling me this one is too shallow? No, can't be. I don't want to take this back apart. Come on, just get in there. What's that hit? Yeah, no, it's not. It's just something. Something unhappy. Just being aggravating. About to. Come on. Yeah, it's really pulling on that. Okay, what if we do this? We can't. Can't do that. Won't work. Do I have any more wire? I think They didn't give it quite enough wire for this. It's hitting something in the back now. I don't like how much pressure is on that. Will this still fit? Yeah. Not really. Okay, we're gonna make modifications. Come on. We're just gonna put screws back in it because it's all pretty tight. So, I'm not take the breaker out, or I just switch it with this one. Okay, well. Yep. What'd y'all do with the bolts that go in here? Oh, there's one of them. Got it. Bam, boom, bang, done. This thing, junk. Well, I guess it is 21 years old. 22 years old. 21 years old? I don't remember how old it is. Okay. These are supposed to go with it, but don't, so who cares? Oh, that was for that fan. Junk. Junk. I appreciate you watching the video. Hopefully it brought you some sort of joy or entertainment value of some sort. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave that in the comments, or a hate comment if you want to. That's cool too. Sure. Hopefully you have a good rest of your day. Thank you.